It's Saturday and I'm restless. I just can't stay in the room. Plus, I've been without power this morning. It's all been cut off. So I'm just going to go for a push bike ride. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just going to ride along the foreshore and just see how far I get. Somebody was asking me a question about these little shops that are no longer here. Right here, there used to be, I don't know, maybe 5 to 6 shops. And it was a fantastic place to come and eat and drink. And they knocked them down to build this car park, or this motorbike park. Right, it's just up near the Da Nang sign. But you know what? I've never seen this car park full since they knocked this down. Knocked the buildings down. And that must have happened 12 months ago. It's a damn shame because there's nowhere here anymore to be able to just chill out. And I used to come down here and have beers, like $1 beer. Oh, and I had friends here. Anyway, that's the progression in life. So I'm going to take off down here and see what happens. Still a lot of people out. The rain's about to hit. But we'll just give it a crack and see exactly what happens. It's very mild at the moment. Temperature's beautiful. It's raining. It's just spitting. But that's cool. Sorry, this might get a little bit wobbly on the camera. Maybe I should change the setting from the wide setting to the narrow setting. Yeah, I'll do that. There's the infamous Da Nang Beach sign. I might only just run the camera for, I don't know, a couple of minutes. Who knows? Yeah, I just had enough of being in the room. It's just like, man, I've got to get out. Because I know I'm going to be stuck in there for the next couple of days. So, with the rain, you see the fishermen pulling in the nets in? A couple of ladies there, I think. Or a lady. They'll be there for hours. And there's another mob up here. I guess while I'm here, I might as well just say she's about to absolutely bucket down with rain, and there's a little bit of surf, but not a lot. Okay, I've got to navigate humans, dogs, and while riding one-handed on the bike. Look at those dogs. You know, there's more tourists this year than there were last year. I think Da Nang's seeing a little bit of an explosion with people coming here and also moving here. I'm meeting more and more people who are leaving the Western world and moving to Da Nang. It used to be once upon a time Thailand, but Thailand's too expensive now. I'll take that back. Thailand's still cheaper than the Western world, but compared to a couple of years ago, Thailand has become a little bit too expensive. I'm going to get absolutely drenched, I can just tell. It's just going to happen, isn't it? Ah, well. You see it all the time on my videos, but here's a look from the road of the Casa Bay Beach Cocktail Bar. My plan today actually was to go up to Marble Mountain, but I don't think I will, because if I get drenched, I just don't feel like it. I just don't feel like riding back home being absolutely drenched. So I'll wait for another day. The tide at the moment is on its way out. Today they forecast 26 mil of rain. Just hang on a sec. You've got people that are wandering and don't know what they're doing, and I'm on a bike riding one-handed, and I don't want to stack into anyone. Okay, where was I? Yeah, they forecast 26 mil of rain today, and tomorrow's the big one. It was 90 mil this morning, and that's been downgraded to 82. Yeah, baby. 82 mil of rain's a lot. And they've also forecast, I was reading a Vietnamese website, that there's going to be 700 mil somewhere up in the mountains dropping. And they named Da Nang that might get hit with some excess flooding. My Khe Beach. Man, how many videos have I done of this foreshore, walking along it? I suppose it's different, we're on a bike now. Be interesting to see what it looks like back when I edit the video. Yeah, look, there's some nice little waves out there. I'll get up towards the Paradise Bar and see if I can catch a set or two. I can only see like 5 surfers all the way out there. Some nice little waves just here. All right, what's going on in the hood? I friggin' love Da Nang, and I love the ability of just to get on a bike and just ride down the foreshore here. It's just so fantastic to do. I really miss the ability and the freedom that this thing gives me. All right, I've got to focus a bit here. I'm only going really slow, but as I say, I'm one-handed on a wobbly old bike. It's quiet up here. Very quiet. Yeah, there's some nice little waves out there. They're only like probably 2 foot, maybe a 3-footer coming in every now and then. Pizza and burger right here. Excellent pizzas and San Miguel on tap. I've had many a pizza from there when I've staggered home drunk from the Paradise Bar. Hey brother, how are you?
Full power 24 hours.
Hey! Oh, look at this little doggy. Hello. Ah! There's so many beautiful dogs, I tell you, that I see on the beach and just on the footpath here. When they get on the beach, oh, the big smiles from the dog. Okay, just at the Paradise Bar, I'm going to stop. Okay, I can see something brewing right out there. They're going to be brave enough to catch it. There's some nice swirls happening on the right-hand side, but there we go. No one's caught anything. Here we go, this one. Come on, buddy. Ah, well, that's all we got. Paradise Bar. Oh, I could handle a beer, but I tell you, that would be the end of me. I wouldn't be able to ride the bike home. No friggin' way. We'll keep going. You can hire boards from this person here too, by the way. Forgot to mention that the other day. He just runs just here, just under these coconut trees next to this white caravan. That's a pasta place. There's Coco Surf just here on the left-hand side. Excuse me. Just here. That should be a good day to go out surfing right now. Alrighty, which way am I going to go? In here. Hang up late. And there's another surf rental place here. This joint here where those people are. I'd like to show the other side of the road, but I just can't turn around. It's just the way I'm riding. I've got one hand here on the right-hand side. This little place here. Actually, they sell really nice juices. Here's the Maya Bar, I call it. That'd be nice to be in there today. You want to be stuck in there when it rains so you can't leave. It's so nice. A little bit more expensive though. Keep going down. I don't know what this place does, Sugar Daddy. They're obviously closed. Oh, this is still part of Maya. I didn't know that. I've got to focus here. I might have... Going through the sand, it's really easy just to get twisted up. Okay, I'm good. I don't know what this video is about. Why not? Just make a vid just so you can see what's going on here on a Saturday. Around about lunchtime now, I guess. Must be getting close to it. There's another surf rental joint here. Surf Shack. But that's actually a shop. There's actually a shop off to the right hand. If I can just stop here. Oh. I think the Surf Shack is it's down in through there. This here is like the tourist district in here. Sorry, I'm still on the bike, so I'm really wobbly. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to focus just here on the road, on the footpath thing, whatever you call it. This is the underground pass where you could actually go under and get on the other side, but it was blocked off. It's been blocked off for ages, and I don't know whether it still is. Let's have a quick look. It might be open, so you can go down and that'll bring you up over there. Because even though this road's only 4 lanes, it can be a real challenge to cross, hey? And where I am down there, it opens up to 4 lanes either side, and that's really hard to cross. They've done a great job here. This was like really derelict and nothing, and they've actually turned this into like a really funky little sort of beer, gelato, ice cream place. We're almost at the end of the actual beach esplanade here. Like, but it keeps going, like you can keep walking this. So right here, near the beach beer, this is this big joint on the left-hand side. This is kind of where a lot of people start their walk or end their walk. I'll just go down further for you, just so you can have a look. I've got to watch out for this bloody sand. Up through there is the tourist district. All the way in there you're going to find bars and coffee shops and, you know, the stock standard stuff. Oh, something absolutely... Oh, they've knocked it down. I knew there was something going on. Ah, completely gone. Okay. Because I walk on the beach side, I never see what's up here. I haven't walked up here and I couldn't tell you the last time. A year? I have no reason to actually come up to these areas. I might get stuck here though. Yeah, okay, I'll just stop it here. This place is called Kala Kala. I don't know much about it because I don't actually come up here to have beers or anything. It's too far for me. But you can sit here and you can sit right on the edge and look at the beach. I'll just get down here a bit further. There's the signage. Kala Kala. Yet again, there's no one here. I just think everyone's too scared because it's too wet. If I keep following this footpath and also the road, it'll take me up to Marble Mountain, which is not that far away from here. It's doable on a push bike, or you can just catch a taxi. This place to my left-hand side is called Premier Village, and it certainly comes with a Premier price tag. But they look beautiful in there, and of course you can't see anything because it's all gated. I'm probably going to butcher this pronunciation, but I think it's Loi Zuang Bien Kong Kong Beach. So it's actually Kong Kong Beach, or Loi Zuan Kong Kong Beach, something like that. But this is one of the public access beaches further south, so let's just go and have a look. Really quite nice as you ride through here. There's parking off to the left-hand side. And there's a cafe over here, Vietnamese Heritage. It's so pretty through here, it really is. I mean, you know, there's so many places to live in Da Nang, and this is further south. It's so quiet here. I'm probably going to be the loudest thing today. Me talking into the stupid camera. and riding my push bike, but it's so nice. These apartments, you can actually rent these, I think, like on permanent lease. I've looked up how much they are and they're friggin' expensive, but delicious. I've got to get a new seat. This seat is really quite painful on the old back end, if you know what I mean. Here we go, just coming up here. I often walk up here. It's a fair hike too, by the way, from where I am. Security guard there. I'll just try and stop, hang on. It's a long way from anything here, and if you're interested, this tells you when you can swim in this area. It gives you the winter months and it gives you the summer months, and it tells you what times you can swim and what you can't swim. There's also a hotline, there's no website. But that's the view you get. And I'll quickly just run down here so you can see how far away we are. It's so weird to walk on the beach with shoes. It's just something that I just don't do. I'm on the zoom in lens, and it's a fair hike. I've got to say, it's probably, to my place, maybe 5 or 6 kilometers, maybe more actually. As a reference point, there's this big building here that you can see. If you're up north, let's just say at the Paradise Bar, and you go on the beach, you can see this thing. I don't know what it's called. I don't even know what it is, whether it's a hotel. It's got to be a hotel, I'm assuming. There's not much down here. I'll just do a wide shot so you can see over here. You know, if you're after nightlife or anything like that, or any bars on the beach, you got nothing. If you want quiet time to do nothing, this is what you do. I'm going to end the video here, but what I'm going to do is just ride for about another 30 seconds or so. This here's another restaurant, beach bar, coffee, all that sort of stuff. Up here there's just a lot more of everything of the same, really. There's the postie. I'll just keep going for another minute, and I'll call that a vid, because it's just going to be too hard for me to do what I'm doing. And eventually I will get up here when it's not about to bucket down with rain, and we can start to look at more of the this side of Da Nang, which is the southern side, you know, right off to the right hand side. And even if we just go for a ride all the way down these streets, there's a lot here that I need to discover also. It's also a lot cheaper for you to stay in this area than it is in the tourist area, or even where I am. And if you do have transportation, you know, getting around Da Nang, it's so easy. So anyway, catch you later, dudes. Enjoy your day. All right, bye. At least the footpaths are right here so far. They just need to maybe mow and clean up the rubbish. Oh, that's a bit gnarly.